me, you, and him. Oh, you might have.
You will never win. You will never win.
Shotgun, probably. Or the auto. No, the auto shotgun will be
You
spam.
will never be safe.
It's up here. The system.
Hey, I have auto shotgun. I have auto shotgun.
Yeah, he's thinking
I
of
have
buying it.
auto
The
shotgun.
SMG is good for the start, but look, it doesn't have any good after
Yo, guys, I'm
So I
new.
think,
What do
I
I
think go
buy?
straight for auto shotgun.
Let me put it on.
Because you also get the deagle, and the deagle's apparently really good.
I have auto shotgun.
Yeah, get the deagle then.
Oh my crappity doodles.
Okay, so
Crappity doodles.
I'm gonna do some.
I want this Cupid bundle.
Yo, 1v1 me.
I want
Are you scared? Alright, come here. Come on, King Mouse. Come on, 1v1 me. Run the 1v1.
Oh yeah,
Do you want to for real mess with
Can you
us?
1v1 me?
I do. I will.
Bro, they're scared of 1v1, brother.
Let's do a 2v2.
Win streak.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I've got like 14 before, so you can't do anything. Do you want to see that win streak going away today?
Yeah, you're gonna lose this time. Cause now I gotta get teammate.
What if we don't?
The other teammate was trash.
It is gonna continue big.
They're gonna be done.
Match
Come on.
We
started.
got this.
They're 2v1, by the way. They're 2v1, so look up.
Round starting.
40 on the red guy.
60. This guy just sprays. He sprays.
Bro, what?
This guy just
Oh, you
sprays
use
and he uses
shotgun.
shotgun.
That's so trash, dude.
This guy just has no skill. Do you want me to beam that one down? Because he's
Round
just gonna.
starting.
100 on that guy.
60.
Killed him.
Yo, another one's low.
That one's low. Come on.
Yo, it's like
He's not low. Item for 60.
Oh. I got him a lot. I got like 100 on him, or 200.
Oh, I'm doing perfect.
Round
Come on, you
starting.
get 130 damage. Come on, brother. 100 on that. Got a shirt. There's one more. Come on, help me. He's low. He's not low. He's like 60 down. Come on,
Oh
come
my
on,
God.
Bruh.
It's fine.
Bro, I'm cooking them, bro. I have more damage than. I have 6.
Round
Come on, you got.
no, we're joking.
150 on that kid. Come on, nice.
Oh, bro, they're just 2v1ing, bro.
Yeah, they are. I'll use my revolver.
I have more damage than. I more.
Round starting.
I need you to cook up, bro.
990 on him or something. 90 on red.
I'm on my boundary. Bro, I'm a boundary. You're so lucky, bro. I'm cooking up. I have more damage than both of you guys. Come on, let me 1v1 on y'all.
Yeah, let him
You
1v1.
know I'm gonna win.
You scared to 1v1 him?
I have
He's
more
got a
damage
less
than- I have
win
more
streak
damage
than you.
both of you.
Come on, 1v1 him. Look
They're
at him.
scared.
He's got a less win
Look, I
streak
don't
than
even
you.
have a win
But-
streak, bro. Come on, 1v1 me. Don't be scared.
He's scared. They're scared of losing their win streak because you're gonna beat
I
them.
know. I'm just too good. I have more damage than both of them combined.
I was not cooking. I had to say that.
We're not 1v1ing because
Okay,
For
rematch.
we're
Everybody
both
rematch.
new and we're just trying to get some win streaks.
Yeah,
so.
see, they're just saying they're good apparently, and then they're now
Yeah,
not
trash.
saying they're good.
Bro,
Yo,
he
rematch.
started today
Come on,
and I
rematch.
started yesterday. So what's the
Rematch.
point?
Click on this button.
Well, he did
so we
not
can
start
play again.
today because that's something.
I started yesterday.
What's this then?
What's what?
You can't get that one now. So, yep. You did not start yesterday.
I
come on,
started yesterday.
rematch.
Yes, you could.
Yo,
you could
Florian.
Oh, how's your name? You got that battle source?
Lee win.
Scared?
Lee win. Come here. Come on, click on rematch.
I
Rematch.
started yesterday.
Rematch. Oh, you're
Rematch
scared,
then.
son? Rematch. Come on. Oh, they're scared. They're
Do
scared.
you want to rematch? I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I'll rematch, but it's
All right, come on, come on. Click on the button. Click on the button.
Should we do it?
I've been recording this, so they can't. They know they're scared if they don't.
I need you to lock in, Floor.
I'll try.
Let's do a different map. Let's do a different map.
Oh, yo, lock in again. Lock
I'll
in
try,
again.
but
Lock in again.
don't know if
We got
I.
50%.
Because they're
We got
actually
50%.
pretty good.
I've
so
came back.
we'll lock in.
Yeah, I'm
Right,
fucking
this
crazy. I
today.
could beat you above you.
I've not warmed up
Ah,
yet.
nice. Nice.
I'm starting getting used to it, as I'm not warmed up yet.
I need
Match
you to lock
starting.
in.
I haven't warmed up, but I'll try.
Round starting.
They're both on the left. No, yep.
That low, that both low. You got a clutch, bro. Come on. Don't push the fucking thing up. Don't push. Don't push. Stay back. Go backwards. Go back. Everything push back.
Yes.
I couldn't move. This guy's. They're trying to flex, but they got better when they're spamming the shotgun.
You know they know I can beat.
Round starting.
Go down.
79.
57.
Hit 68 on him, like the red one.
I might die. I'm 13 HP.
Red one's 13 HP. Red one's 13 HP. He said to him. Nice.
Clutch. Lock in.
Bro, pushing with a shotgun is so trashy.
Do you want me to use a shotgun to counter them?
You got a shotgun?
Round starting.
Yeah, I've got a shotgun now. They're spam. They're not even good. They're spam. Then they're
I know
slit.
they're both spam. I know. I'm trying to outskill them, but I gotta.
I hit him a bit, like, with my shotgun. Don't know how much I did, but I got a bit of damage. One on your left. One on your left.
Yeah, that's so, bro. I need you to lock in, bro.
I gotta
I need you
communicate.
to like just rotate, and then
Round
go the
starting.
same way as me.
Both. They're spam. They're not even good. They just focus me on straight away, and then they're not. They just full focus me, and then does not care about you to the end. Nice.
Boom!
They full focus me just to say.
I know.
So,
You go the other way. We'll both go one way.
oh,
Round starting.
$140 on the red one. 140 on the red one. 140 on the red one.
Bro! I gotta keep clutching up. I need.
If they win, rematch. Because I'm getting used
Round starting.
now.
Bro, shoot with me, brother, bro. I gotta do everything.
Yes.
God.
I don't. We might use them.
Can you guys please just 1v1 me?
No, I don't.
You got more damage,
You
look.
guys are so scared of 1v1.
You got more damage, you should be able to 1v1 them then.
Exactly, yeah, you got more damage. It's just 1v1 you, brother.
Come on.
Come on.
Or are you scared to do it?
I could easily beat this kid in 1v1. Come on, are you fucking scared or something?
Yeah, they're scared.
There's one who won't listen. If you beat me, you're better. Than. Or Jack could be one if you want. They're just better than me. You wanna get fame? Come on. Just one who won. That's it.
Yo. You know, I think of this.
You're
You know, I
scared.
think of this.
I think you're scared.
Should I put it on my YouTube? Yeah, I put it on my
Yeah, you're
YouTube,
scared,
but
scared,
they're
brother.
scared. I'm putting it on YouTube. Good job.
Yo, go in there.
Go in. Go in.
Pay to win! Pay to win! Pay to win! Hey!
Hey,
How was that for the
how are you?
How was that for the win?
Hello.
How was that
Hello. This my other account.
Green? Green? That you from last time?
Yeah.
amazing? Yes,
You're crazy good at the game, by the way.
I'm
My
not that
God,
good.
it's that
I'm
amazing.
not even Look at my load.
My loadout's fine, dude.
Well, also, I'm on my brother's account. On my brother's account.
I'm blue.
Hey!
That's me. Hello. What do you want to do?
Guys, let me see it. Guys, let me see your loadout. I want this one. Yo, look, this one. Let me see your loadout.
Uh,
Yo, let me see your loadout. This is my brother's account, so
Let me see your loadout.
loadout.
My loadout.
Hello, I don't see loadout.
Hello, I don't want to see my loadout. He was asking me to show him his... Huh? That's good.
This is my loadout.
Round starting.
Brother's account. I'm still good. I'm pretty new to the game too.
What?
Cause this is my brother's
They're
account,
spam,
and I
they're
just
not even
started
good.
playing- Yo, bro, you are not new, bro. I just started playing
Just to say they're spamming.
2 hours ago, so I'm not that good. I know. 134 on one, and Dad was rocket. Dad was grenade. And that guy's not though.
Oh,
Yo, you have AK, you're still losing, bro.
fuck this kid. He's just using some weird gates.
Round starting.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Ow! Keep on killing me. 60? Where is he? I can't see him. Hey, he got killed. I can't see him, bro. I can't see him. He's up there.
This kid's just...
Oh, there he is. Okay.
You're not good, kid.
Yeah, he was in
We can beat him. Come on, we can beat him.
That's it.
Round starting.
Time to lock in.
55 and 1.
Cause I'm on X game mode now. Hey, yeah, you stupid meanie butt.
Kill him.
Killed me. Somehow. Right here, teammate.
Well, you lucky. You're so lucky.
No, you're not new to this game. How am I not new to this game? This is my brother's account. How dare you?
53.
Oh no! Hey. I thought that. That's cheating. Down. One killed.
Nice.
Dead? Oh, yeah, I thought you were new, bro.
He isn't.
Damn, I just started 2 hours ago.
These kids are like, like saying, I thought you were new. I thought you were new.
Stop making me angry.
110 and 94 and behind you. I got one lot
I can't do anything. They're using this gaze.
behind you.
Stupid ass motherfucker.
Come on, you got this.
Podcast.
Awesome.
Arena. Du kan ju arena då. Vi
I'm
fattar
not
inget.
happy. I'm not happy. Come here, bro. I want to copy these.
Oh, the map you picked, Oh, you're fucking on my fly.
You're fucked.
Match started.
Looking.
Could have been that instant.
This guy's yapping so hard when he's not even good at the game. He's just.
That?
Baby behind you. Look behind you, stupid. Hey, I got one so brain cell. This
Where
kid.
you looking? Where you looking?
You have no brain cell. Like,
Where you looking?
Purple, we know you're not gonna win.
Nice, teammate. I'm just too good.
You're just too good. Do you want me to get my actually friends to beat you?
Round starting.
If I get my friends, they're like real trash on you. They will beat you.
Never be on your menu, by the way.
I don't even know this kid.
Round starting.
Your brother tried to use that method, bro. There's a bathroom.
And now he's spamming. Wow,
Holy shit.
they're not even good.
You guys are bomb.
You're not even good because you're using SMG.
Round starting.
How low do you have to be? And you're winning as well. How low do you have to be to use SMG? That's actually,
Now look out.
that's just like low. You're not even good if you use SMG.
I'm not even good. We're winning, bro.
Round starting.
Right here. Very low. In the corner. Right here. Nice.
You don't even get that much damage.
Yeah, my team, bro. The hell am I lobby? The hell am I lobby?
Let's cut the cheeks with that time and then false.
Right, so if I split you two against each other, who would win?
Me.
Who?
You would obviously know who would win. Me, for sure.
I bet.
If I try hard, well, we would tie.
Also, why do they actually sound like 2-year-olds? Yeah, they sound like 2-year-olds, that's the funny part.
Can you make your whole street, bro?
Why do you sound like a 2-year-old? I'm just wondering.
Nah, I'm about to make you
Mom,
on the street, bro.
You're probably younger than me, bro.
Round starting.
105 in middle and 90 on another one.
Holy double team, bro. These kids cannot get off of my meat, bro. Like, stop meat raiding, bro. I'm not a
They're literally like
lady, bro.
5, aren't they?
God, bro. I'm gonna cry, bro, because these kids are bad, bro. Like, what the hell, bro?
Right. Get green.
Oh, who's winning now?
It's fine.
It's fine.
Okay,
We're double teaming as well.
let's just like play together, so they have no.
Bro, these kids are
Round starting.
ass, bro. Bro, these little Timmies have never heard a cuss word in their life, probably.
All they do is spam. Change weapons. Change weapons. Come on.
Change weapons, bitch.
No, them, because they're literally just spamming. Have you seen them use a different weapon yet?
Yeah, I haven't. Actually, I've seen this guy keep on using SMG, though.
Oh yeah, that's one thing.
And how do you just run straight into my grenade?
He's one shot.
Whoa! Go back to go back to the rifle. Go back
Nice.
to the rifle. Go back to the rifle.
They're going right.
Round starting.
When you win this.
Did like 700.
What that? And teammate, how are you getting killed by an SMG with 0 ammo, bro?
Hmm?
Change to SMG,
Round
honestly,
starting.
because they're just spamming with it. That's the only night you know. And his teammate left. Yeah, bad boy.
Oh, he's just. There's no. He's not even good.
What the?
Let's get out here.
What time is it?
Yo, yo, yo.
8:32 p.m. 3:32. 3:32. Yeah, it's 8:32 for me.
I don't want to be
I got
toxic.
3:32. We gotta go bed after all the. Oh, yo, what's up, bro?
Yo.
Damn. It's the morning for me.
Eat it up, eat it up, eat it.
I'm at.
I'm
Wait.
actually kind of scared. This guy seems good. I'm actually kind of scared.
8:31.
It's alright. We'll meet tomorrow, probably.
It's 8:31 for me. If you didn't wanna. If you wanna know.
Me too.
Yeah, bro.
Why is it not working? Okay, there we go.
For me, it's like
Our
3:30.
teams are full.
For me, it's 3:32 p.m. I rejoined.
He's glitching. That guy's glitching. What the?
Wait, hold on.
I'm lagging.
Yes, hold on. I'm lagging. Hold on.
Wait,
I'm
my
lagging.
No. Who are you? No, we got a crash base.
I think he hopped off.
I think our teammate hopped off. No, he didn't. Yeah, he hopped off on accident.
Match
Keep it
started.
friendly.
Round starting.
Oh my god. Damn! 14! Quit the game! Quit the game, buddy. Bro, why are you knifing?
Holy shotgun.
Shotgun value there. You know.
Bro, why the guys
Round starting.
They have snipers.
Holy damn, bro. I pop up for 1 minute. Dead.
Holy spam! Holy spam! Holy spam! That's what you said. I'm just repeating what you said.
Fucking spamming, bro.
Holy spam! Holy spam! Holy spam! So let's keep repeating them. Holy spam!
Round starting.
Oh, insane. Bro, yo, I got a shotgun from him.
I got a shotgun spammer.
Bro, actual spam. Quit the game.
Hey, spammer! Spammer! I don't fucking care. You're so annoying. Literally shut up.
We're all losing.
Round starting.
Bro, there's no way.
There is a way because you missed. Squirt. I think our teammates dead here.
Watch out. Guys, bro, just behind me.
Oh. There might not be this one.
OG spammer?
One of them's really low. The red one's really low. He's
Okay, I
low.
can cook this.
He's low. You're here?
Oh my god.
I can cook.
Get him, get him. Bro, I can't hit any shots.
I can cook!
Quit the game, quit the game. You're not cooking.
Yo, you're Florilla and you just 2v1?
Round starting.
Let him go, go, trash.
You're not good. You just spam like theme. Oh, let him cook, he says. When he just dies straight away after. Don't let him cook. Maybe let me cook, because I don't...
Spammers, bro.
You're all spammers! Spammers! It's just because you don't have the skill of us. You're the one who said we're spammers.
One more away from me. What?
You said we're spammers.
Wait, just hopped on. But we just hopped on.
You lies.
Where's my teammate?
You literally went with me. Against me, I can remember.
Bro,
You
we
went
just hopped on.
you went against me, you went against me, you said you cooked.
How do we have a win streak?
And I said I
How do
cooked.
you have a win streak still? How do you have a win streak?
Because he just lost. He's gonna lose after. And now look. He's crying. Because he knows what we won.
Yeah, didn't you lose to us? Didn't you like lose to me?
Yes, did. Yo. Hello. You two don't have mugs?
You hold the button.
Wait a minute, he doesn't have a win streak anymore, look.
I am not doing that.
Let's see what I have over here.
I'm not.
Glorilla. Glorilla. Chilla.
I'm not going on that team. I know that we're
Go against me.
Please.
Go against us.
Savage.
I beat a sorcerer.
Battle predator. This guy's a predator. You're a predator.
I am.
I'm also a predator. I'm a predator.
No, you're not.
I'm a predator too.
I'm a predator in real life.
Same. I'm a predator too.
In real life. I'm a real life predator.
Same.
Wait, I remember that guy. Hey, you. You're from last game.
I know I am.
Like Skira? Or the Scots? I'm from India.
Match starting. Round starting.
This guy's good. I can already tell that you're good.
6-7.
No, don't do that.
Oh, little Valentine. How low were you?
Round starting.
Behind us. Oh my god, I'm getting full focus here. This wolf kid just full focus.
He's a good. He's a launcher spawner.
He just full focus me.
What?
That kid, like the angel one, just focus me. Because I keep killing him. Normally. Watch. Told you. Told you. He was focusing me. This kid does not have a life.
I killed him anyways.
It's good, but he was just focusing me, like full focus.
Bro, this guy's invincible! I literally headshot him with a whole magazine and he's still alive. He's invincible.
Round starting.
Stop spamming Uzi, bro.
Oh my god, why do you have to sneak attack me, little gay?
Okay, I'm gonna use a shotgun. I'm not gonna stick.
He's so gay, they have sneak attack and they think they're so tough from sneak attacking me.
That tingle school up. Cut, pack, cut, pack, cut. Skiddy dip, pack, cut. How you hit me? Stop, you know you're cheating. You know you're cheating. Finally, I've never seen that guy dead before. Yo, kill him first.
This guy is just full focusing on me. But
Round
nice
starting.
work, you two. On the left. I think. Yep. I'm right. They're coming from. With me. I hit him a bit. So.
Ow!
Yo,
No,
they're still on the left. Right here.
He's in middle.
No, wait, look.
I've just been headshot with a shotgun.
How did you one shot?
He's going up and
I
up.
said,
He's going to the left. He's jumping up. He's using his sword to get to you. Cross. He's going up on top. He's going to your right. To the right.
Shoot him! He's right in the corner! Ron's on the other side.
Be like a pro.
He's down there. If
Nice. Nice. Whoa.
Round start.
we actually got a lock in. Behind you!
Lock it.
This guy's not tough. He's just
Yo, back.
chasing me down.
Yo, he just got shot.
You got your teammate, you got this. Yes, go team.
Rematch. Go on, rematch.
Your teammate, you're
Rematch or you're gay. Go on, rematch. Oh, you're scared.
Match starting.
Okay.
Okay, come this way with me.
Round starting.
Okay. I'm coming.
Oh wait.
I'm coming.
Oh no. I lost my controller. In the crossfire.
158. Hey! Mini butt.
You're lucky, because
Hi.
do you want me actually looking? Do you want me to look in?
I'll lock
Oh,
in too.
Round starting.
I'm locked in.
they come from the right. Watch out from.
Hey! He killed me.
That's
Yeah.
Yo, bro, you're not me, bro.
Yes, I am!
Bro, you have AK and still losing, bro.
Oh my god.
Round starting.
These guys are not listening.
He's hacking! He's shooting through walls!
Oh yeah, I got him on camera, so he can't.
Himself up.
I got him on camera, so he can't really get ready.
Oh, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all's families. Fuck everything about y'all, bro.
I just don't miss a shot.
Fuck you, fuck your family. I fucked your mom last night.
I beat this kid. Let me do a 1v1 with that purple one. Let me do a 1v1 with purple.
Round starting.
Let me do a 1v1 with purple. I beat him any day. Let me do a 1v1 with purple. Oh, you're gay.
Yeah, you did 1v1.
Oh, guess who died?
I was up in the air and shot me down.
Yeah, because I was beating you, but your teammate had to come in and try.
Oh, you beat me? What do you mean by that?
I was beating you really good, but your teammate had a 2v on me.
Now I'm locking in, bro.
Round starting.
I was beating that purple one like so hard. Killed. Nice.
Teammate, it's alright. I'll lock in that shot.
Now they're saying they're locking in. We could beat them.
Nah, I'm locking in now, bro.
We could beat them.
Round starting.
Bro, they double teamed on me. That's the only reason I died. I got double teamed on by them. See, look, that's all they're doing. They're just teaming on both of us. So.
Alright, take 1v1. I beat you. I beat you too.
Rematch, nah. I'm giving my brothers on.
Damn.
Oh yeah, get your brother on. We're destroying.
Brother on.
Losing, bro. Go back rooms again. Go back rooms again. Yo, I think he rage quit, bro.
No, he's getting his brother on.
Oh, so scary. I'm scared. You're...
He might be done.
Match starting. Round starting.
Got him. Holy shit, you're blind, bro. Even
How-
though your brother's ass.
No, I was actually gonna beat you there, but
Nah, bro.
Round starting.
Oh, I'm the lower rank, I'm pretty sure on that, bro.
holy shit, Purple's getting carried by the other kid.
I'm literally carrying, like, me and my teammates carrying each other.
Round starting.
Purple's getting carried. You're carrying Purple, I'll just say. You're the only reason you're winning. Purple's actually shit. Purple's absolute shit. I'm the only person who's winning.
He's my teammate. He's better than me, bro.
You're better.
Bro said we're ass and he's rage quitting, bro.
Round starting.
Fuck you guys. You don't even have a life. At least I have a life.
Dead? Yep, I'm dead.
Oh, who's dead now? Scary. Behind you.
Hello?
Purple, you don't win this. Come on, you lose. You're gonna lose, Purple. You're gonna lose. Purple's where they're almost they're in the middle. Purple's in the middle. Purple's running. He's low. Purple's one shot.
Teammate, come on.
Come on.
Wait over here, bro. No, he's not. He's not.
Now they're getting scared.
Bro, hold on. They're rage quitting.
Round starting.
Oh, wow.
Oh, who's dead now,
So you come in
Purple?
when I'm ready, ready to look. So you come in when I'm ready, ready to look.
I don't care. Shut up, bitch.
What's he using? He's using like a spam shotgun.
So spam.
Round starting.
Dead one. Over here with me. Where I died. Run back to our spawn. Over to our spawn. Come on, teammate. You got this. Push him. Left.